take off the top covers. This is the air filter box right here. This piece is going to come out. There's 2 screws in here. You're going to see the orange air filter, and then this piece here. This piece should slide right out. Put it over to the side, and then this is your air filter. And damn, that is actually clean. I was going to replace this, but all right, so I'm not going to replace it. This is going to go right back in. All right, get it up in there. I'm going to take some silicone the filter to help it slide together. All right, so we're just going to put it on the silicone on the rubber. So when we put this in, it'll help slide it right in there. And it's that simple. We're going to put the cover back on. Slide that right up in there. And get your screws started. And start the bottom one. And that's it. And so your air filter is now changed. Anyway, God bless. Keep the rubber on the road. And I'll see you all whenever I come back with another video. Bye-bye.